Hello children, welcome back to my talks, and today we are going to do fourth lesson from Flamingo. Okay, the rat trap, and the author is Selma Lagerlof. Okay, so this particular story, it is a psychological insight into human nature. Okay, and here in this story the author highlights how greed for materialistic things, okay, and traps we are encircled with materialism, you can say. Okay, so we are encircled with them that entraps it. So the story upholds the belief that the essential goodness of a human being can be awakened through love and understanding. Okay, it brings into focus the idea that the world is a rat trap. We keep like rats, we keep running after materialistic things. Okay, so riches, joy, shelter and food are all lucrative and baits to trap mankind. So let's begin, okay, with the main characters. So the main characters, here we have the peddler first. So the peddler, he's a protagonist and a central character of the story. Okay, he is unnamed man. We don't have any name for him. He's a peddler who lives as a tramp wandering the countryside and selling rat traps. Rat trap समझ में आता है ना, चूहादानी. Okay, so he goes around and selling this. As he does not make enough money from this to survive, the rat peddler engages in petty thievery. Okay, becomes thief and begging because he cannot earn. All the people do not buy rat traps. Okay, so it's difficult for him for survival. So he starts stealing also and begging. The characteristics, normally the points: he's a vagabond who wanders from one place to another, a thief, beggar, witty, philosopher, pragmatist, and humorous. Let's come to the next character, Edla Wilmanson. Now, Edla is the daughter of the Iron Master. She is described as not at all pretty, but very modest and shy. She is exceptionally kind and convinces the peddler to come to her house, and then convinces her father to let the peddler stay for Christmas Eve. So on the Christmas they meet, and she pesters her father to allow this peddler to stay with them on the Christmas Eve. She is the most positive figure in this story with her compassion and generosity. These are the reasons, okay, for peddler's transformation. The peddler gets transformed. So characteristic of Edla, if we say, she is kind, compassionate, friendly, charming, modest, shy, persuasive, sensitive, understanding, hospitable, honest and innocent. So next we come to the Iron Master. So Iron Master is Edla's father, the man who owns Ramscho Iron Works. Okay, and he's a very prominent Iron Master. That is his business. He steps by at his forge every day and night to watch the work and inspects the quality of the products. All the iron products are made. So in his young days, he was in the military, so he mistakes the peddler for his old regimental comrade. Okay, so when he sees the Iron Master, when he sees the peddler, he feels that he is one of his accomplices whom he somebody whom he knows. Okay, so like that, and that is up till here. And the characteristics: he is greedy, cautious, hospitable, suspicious, unkind and taskmaster. Okay, and the other one is Crofter. Is the last character. He's an old man, okay, who allows the peddler spend the night at his house. And as the old man is lonely, he's glad to pass some time with somebody, to have company, and provides the peddler with food, tobacco and conversation also. He is very kind and generous old man. But the peddler, what does he do? Instead of his generosity, okay, he steals his 30 roners from him. That is the rupee, that is the money which he steals from him. Okay, and the characteristics of his: lonely, happy, friendly, gullible, generous and hospitable. This is the characteristic of Crofter. So now let's come to the summary. So the story begins like a fairy tale. Okay, the central character is a beggar and a petty thief. Who is he? If you remember, the peddler. Okay, who goes about selling rat traps of wire, making small living. He finds it difficult, okay, to make both the ends meet. So it makes him reflect about his own condition and the world at large. Realizes that the whole world is nothing but a big rat trap. Okay, it offers rich and varied baits to people who bite on them and get trapped in the rat trap. That is his thinking. That is why we said he is philosophical also. The story upholds gradually with the various baits being offered to the beggar. So as the time passes, various baits, like first he goes on selling rat traps, then starts begging and thieving and all that. So the old man that the tramp meets is generous. So he meets the old man, that is the crofter, okay, who is generous and he's lonely. So he offers him food and shelter, and instead he also cheats him. Okay, and then after that, the Rapsjo Ironworks. Okay, so they're the iron master. He gives him shelter. Okay, he takes him for one of his known person. Okay, in the military, and when he comes to know that he's not, why? Because he stays with them, and the girl offers him to shave and to dress properly, and then he realizes that he's not the person. Tries to push him out of the house, and his daughter comes, and she is very hospitable, Edla. Okay, and she comes to the rescue, and she is the one who comes to know that he's a thief, but still pesters her father so that he gives permission to this peddler so that he can pass off that particular Christmas evening with them. Okay, so and he becomes changed by seeing by observing the character of the lady. Okay, and that is how the transformation takes place, and he returns the stolen money and writes a letter to her. Okay, he finally steals the money, and then when he transforms, he returns the money back. That is what, and all this takes place because of Edla, the daughter. Okay, and he thanks her for helping him escape the rat trap. Okay, he attains nobility of spirit and becomes Captain Vaughn's tale. The story ends with the victory of human goodness. He realizes his mistakes, okay, and again comes back into goodness, and understands that victory is always for good. So this is the story. Hope you must have understood. So children, do like it, share it, okay, and subscribe it. Thank you.